Hello everyone, going over Praxsyn Corp. Now remember, this was PAWS. They've changed their symbol now. This was an announcement that came out last week. Wanted to touch on that and talk about why that is important. This came out on an 8K filing 9/5/2014. It's listed as a company event. I'm just looking in my Ameritrade news over here. And basically, they just said that they're going to go ahead and change their symbol from PAWS to PXYN. Okay, sounds more professional. I mean, who the heck wants to invest in a pharmaceutical company that sounds like a dog food? I mean, let's face it. Pause. Okay, makes sense. I understand. But what about the stock? What is the stock doing? Well, I'll tell you right now, the stock is a dog, DOG, capital letters. Insider selling occurred on 8/27/2014. At least that's when it was announced. And but you know the big the only, well, there's a few big players that seem to be listed in this stock, and they don't seem to be selling. It just seems like this one member of the board apparently sold. Okay, great, not such a biggie, but I'll tell you what. I thought it was starting to get pumped. It was sent out in a newsletter. Uh, and basically they said, Praxsyn has the potential to do blah blah blah. You know how those newsletters all sound. And I was watching the stock and I saw nothing but volume, but price didn't change. In fact, it went down a little. Tells me someone's getting out of their stock. Common sense. Look, I'm going to give this a little bit longer. Why? Because I think overall the company has, some decent fundamentals, believe it or not, in my opinion. Um, but we'll see. I mean, so far it's DOG dog going nowhere. Now I do personally own this. Haven't gotten out, but I'll tell you, I don't know. I mean, this is like, you know, just sideways action. Really boring stock. I hope they do something with this. Someone starts to buy it, or heck, just if you're not going to bring it up, bring it down. I don't, whatever. But yeah, this is a pretty sad play overall if you have been looking to go ahead and take a position in this. So this is really the only one that I'm going to be covering, right now. And there's a couple of other plays I'm looking at too. Maybe I could do separate videos on them. Now I know it says up 13% today, but you know what? The bid is 4.5 cents. The ask is 0.053, so almost 5.5 cents. So that's this is nonsense, because if someone hits the bid, then it's probably going to be down 5% or something. So don't let that trick you. It's a pretty wide spread today. I don't know. We'll kind of see what happens at the end of the day. Volume's a little bit above average. Okay. I'll do an update on this stock. But right now, I'm just going to say DOG dog. See you later.